Lot number 139 is a 2024 Toyota Sienna LE Hybrid. This one has heavy collision damage to the front end. It's pretty bad. It took a real hard hit to the front, and it looks like the frame is bent, the radiator support is bent, both fenders, hood, bumper, grille, headlights are all gone. It's got heavy collision damage to the front end. Now, I was able to get it running. I had tried before and I couldn't. And today I put the jump box on there, as you can see. And this is a hybrid model. And what you hear right now is the hybrid system running. The driver steering wheel airbag and the footboard airbag both deployed. The rest of the airbags are fine. They did not deploy. No curtain airbags, no passenger airbags deployed. Only steering wheel and footboard. Also, the seatbelt for the driver is stuck in the out position, all due to the accident. Now, it appears to be in some kind of limp mode because of the accident. Hybrid system malfunction, pre-collision system malfunction. It knows it was in an accident and it needs service. So I was able to put it on drive and reverse. I moved it around a little bit, but now it does not drive. I can put it on drive here, shift to park before exiting vehicle. It's not going forward, it will go reverse. It's got a rear view camera. AC is blowing warm. The AC condenser appears to have been broken in the accident. The driver door is crashing into the fender, so the driver door is also dented, but the rest of the body looks good. It does have minor dents and scratches all around, but both sliding doors and the liftgate all open and close as they should. It's got minor scratches right here on the rear quarter panel, as you can see. All matching alloy wheels, but the driver's side front tire is off the rim. The rim shows scratches, and the passenger side rear tire is also off the rim and possibly shows scratches. So 2 good tires, 2 bad ones. Straight body, nice paint. 2024, it only has 20,000 miles. So it doesn't have a lot of wear, but it does have a hard hit to the front end. Let's take a peek at the interior. A lot of panels in the interior have been removed from the decommissioning process. This was an unmarked police unit, and all emergency equipment has been removed. You can see some panels have been removed here, but most of them are sitting in the cargo area. So the panels are included. Most of them are. Center console looks good. It's got a rear view camera, nice screen on the radio, and the seats all look good. The dashboard looks good. It's a 2024. It's like a new car in here. It really is a nice interior. Here's the 3rd row seat. Some of the panels are sitting right there. And I'll open up the tailgate. We're too close to a tree here to really open the tailgate or the liftgate, but I'll show you that a lot of the panels are sitting right there in the cargo area. So liftgate looks good. Rear bumper has minor scratches, all from the accident. Interior looks good. It shows minimal wear. Whatever's damaged is from the accident. Nice clean interior. Very new vehicle. It's a shame it got into such a bad accident, but this is an opportunity for a body man out there. It looks like the frame is bent. Not from here, but it really took a hard hit, probably the hardest on the driver's side, and that's where I would guess the frame is bent. You can see that right there looks bent. The front bumper's bent, the condenser's broken, and it took a hard hit. So take that into account. All right, so there it is. What else can I tell you? 2024 Toyota. It comes with a clean title. It's got heavy damage to the front end. It only has 20,000 miles. Engine sounds good. Transmission engages. AC blows warm. And this one, obviously, must be towed out of here. So you got to get a flatbed to come pick this one up. All right, it's lot number 139. Good luck.